John assembled the litter box cabinet, and so far I like it a lot. It opens up so you can take the litter box out, clean, scoop, and out of sight. It should do away with a lot of the odor. And over here is the entrance. And I did make sure to have the entrance face the back door so I can air out any smells as needed. So this is the cat litter box. Ignore the baking soda on the floor. Our last litter box had leaked, and so we bought one of these, and we are thoroughly impressed. We really like it. Looks just like a little piece of furniture. You would never know that that's our litter box. So love that.